Today, I'm going to show you a type of function in JavaScript that secretly powers tons of real-world code, but beginners rarely understand it properly. The best part? These functions are flexible, powerful, and make you look like a pro. And they are incredibly misunderstood. Let's fix that today. Welcome back to Elite Tech Club. I'm Saeed, and in this video we are talking about one of the coolest ways to create a function in JavaScript: function expressions. Yes, the mysterious cousin of the regular function. Let's unravel the magic. So you already know standard functions like this. But JavaScript has also another way to create a function. A function expression is when you create a function inside a variable. Yep, a function assigned like it's homework. Here is what it looks like. So now say hi is not just a variable, it's a function variable, a supercharged variable, a variable with special powers. Kinda like if your pet suddenly learned JavaScript. Alright, so why do developers use this instead of normal functions? Let's go through the big reasons, and I promise they actually matter. Function expressions don't get hoisted the same way as normal functions, which means you must define them before you use them. This prevents some weird bugs and forces cleaner structure. You can store function expressions in arrays, objects, pass them to other functions, anything you can do with normal variables. Let's make this practical. Here's an expression function that converts Celsius to Fahrenheit. So let's declare a variable to Fahrenheit. And here a function which accepts a parameter, and then the function body. Here we simply return a value. Now you can use it anywhere. Console.log, and here I call this function. It requires a value. I pass 30, and then we call it one more time to Fahrenheit, and this time I pass 0. Cool. I save it, and let's see. I click on inspect and go to the console tab. Here you see the result. This is the structure of a function expression. Nothing scary, just packaging a function inside a variable. You might notice something interesting. We didn't name the function at all, because this whole function lives inside a variable. The variable is the name. Your turn. Create a function expression that takes a name and returns a greeting like this. Drop your version in the comments, I'll be checking. And that is the power of function expressions in JavaScript. Cleaner code, more control, more flexibility, basically a developer's best friend. If this video helped you level up your JavaScript journey, smash that like button, subscribe, and of course hit the bell so you never miss the next lesson. I'm Saeed from Elite Tech Club. Keep coding, keep building, and as always, stay awesome.